What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be checking out the leather cases from Apple for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's check it out. So today we're going to check out two cases from Apple. They're both the iPhone 13 Pro Max leather cases. They're just in two different colors. Here we have what they're calling Case Wisteria. I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce that, but it's kind of like a bluish, a light bluish. I'm colorblind, so I'm doing my best here. And then you have the dark cherry, which is mostly black with like a little red undertone. I'm sure you can see it on the camera there, hopefully. But we're gonna check it out, see what they look like on the phones. I've personally never used or had one of the Apple leather cases. I've always been worried that they're gonna scratch too much. So this is my first time actually even opening and checking one out. Let's check out this packaging. Wow, it's pretty awesome. There's like a lock in there, so I like had to pull it out and it popped out. Yeah, it's something. There's definitely some mechanism in the casing here, in the packaging, making it lock. That's pretty neat. I bet you there's like a tab down below or something. Nothing really in here. They kind of built the instructions right into the box. They're showing you to lay the case in one side at a time, starting with the volume and the lock button side, or the lock rocker side. Okay, we do have a little bit of information here. Let's check it out. Basically, information about how the case was made, the materials they used, warranties, and whatnot. We don't care about that. So you can see it's got the ring for the MagSafe. This case is MagSafe compliant. It feels nice. Metal buttons, suede or like an Alcantara type of inside. Definitely going to protect the phone. The metal buttons are definitely premium feeling. Let's check it out. So now supposedly when you put the phone in the case, it gives you a little effect here. Okay, kind of like, oof, like flash the color a little bit there. Let's try that again. Let's take it off. Let's see what we get here. One more time. I didn't see anything that time, but alright, so it definitely feels nice. Does not add a ton of weight. The leather doesn't scratch that easy. I was worried about like small scratches showing up, but I've heard if they get too beat up, you can return them at Apple anyway. Don't hold me to that. If you've had experience with that, let me know in the comments below. Not a ton of edge protection here. It's definitely going to keep it off of the glass, but it's really close in that Apple form over function fashion. The buttons do feel really nice though. This the rocker feels way tighter than I thought it would feel. Wow, I feel like Apple didn't get that one right. I feel like they need to make this hole bigger. It's definitely hard to reach down in there and get at the rocker. It's very tight. I guess it's doable though. Let's check out the other case. Exactly the same, just a different color. Ooh, I like that better. Now it's definitely darker. It's closer to black. I don't know if I would notice that cherry color if I didn't read it just now. A couple little blemishes right out of the box. That's interesting. Okay, it seems to have rubbed off. Okay. I can tell this one's definitely going to scratch a little easier than the other one. Let's check it out on the case, on the phone though. Ooh, a little weird taking them off. Doesn't feel safe. Okay. It looks better, in my personal opinion. I'm a black on black kind of guy there. Obviously, everything's the same. Didn't go over all the ports, but you have your cutouts below for your speaker grill and for the power port. The buttons, like I said, they do feel nice. plenty of rim around the optics to lift it up off should you put it down. It's obviously going to rock because of it's not symmetrically lined up there, but overall it's definitely like a premium feel. It has a quality Apple feel to it. I don't know how much protection it's going to offer, but it's obviously better than nothing. Got to be honest, I probably wouldn't rock this case, either of them. It's sleek, it's elegant looking, and it'll definitely add some protection to your phone. But for the price they charge for these things, I don't know if I would use these over a Pitaka or a OtterBox case. But either way, thanks for stopping by and checking out this video today. I appreciate it. If you have a case or a product you'd like me to review or check out, please leave a comment below. Let me know so. As always, I appreciate the thumbs up, and if you really like the video, the subscription button is definitely appreciated as well. Thanks for stopping by today. Peace.